Have you ever wondered what makes Spanish cuisine so irresistible? From the sizzling seafood paella to the comforting tortilla espanola, Spain's culinary treasures offer a journey for your taste buds, but with so many dishes. Which ones should you try first? Today, we're taking on a mouth-watering challenge, exploring the top 20 Spanish dishes that will transform your travel experience. Welcome to EuroTrip Hacks, your ultimate guide to unforgettable European adventures. Ready to dive into Spain's rich food culture? You won't want to miss a single bite? Let's get started. Number 1. Tortilla Espanola. We're kicking things off with a true staple, the famous Tortilla Espanola. It's a simple yet satisfying Spanish omelet made with potatoes and onions. Crispy on the outside, soft and tender on the inside, this dish is a must whether you're dining at a local cafe or cooking up something at home. Number 2. Am Tomette. Next, we have Am Tomette, a classic Catalan dish. This simple yet delightful creation features toasted bread, rubbed with juicy tomatoes and garlic, then drizzled with high-quality olive oil. It's a staple on many Spanish tables, proving that sometimes the simplest ingredients make the most unforgettable flavors. Number 3. Hamon Iberico. Hamon Iberico is Spain's prized cured ham, known for its rich flavor and melt-in-your-mouth texture. Sourced from black Iberian pigs, it's often enjoyed thinly sliced as part of a tapas spread. The intense marbling and deep taste make it a culinary highlight that reflects Spain's dedication to quality ingredients. A must-try for any food lover. Number 4. Patatas Bravas. Patatas Bravas are a must-try for any tapas lover. These crispy fried potatoes are generously topped with a spicy, smoky tomato sauce that varies by region. Each bite offers a satisfying crunch, followed by a burst of bold flavors. Patatas Bravas can be found in nearly every tapas bar in Spain, often paired with aioli or a garlicky sauce. This dish embodies the spirit of sharing and enjoying good food with friends. Number 5. Polo Alago. Polo Alago, or garlic chicken, is a classic Spanish dish bursting with flavor. Marinated in garlic and olive oil, the chicken is pan-fried until golden brown and aromatic. Each bite is a delightful combination of tenderness and savory goodness. Perfect for any meal, this dish showcases the essential ingredients of Spanish cuisine: simplicity and taste. Number 6. Seafood Paella. You can't visit Spain without trying seafood paella. This iconic dish hails from Valencia, combining succulent seafood, saffron-infused rice, and a hint of smoky flavor from open-fire cooking. Each bite is a celebration of coastal flavors, making it a feast for both the eyes and the palate, perfect for sharing with friends. Number 7. Croquetas. No visit to Spain is complete without trying croquetas. These bite-sized delights are crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside, often filled with a rich bechamel sauce mixed with ingredients like ham, chicken, or fish. They're the perfect tapas for sharing with friends, making them a favorite at any Spanish table. One bite, and you'll be hooked. Number 8. Gaspacho. Gaspacho is a refreshing cold soup that embodies the essence of summer in Spain. Made from blended tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and onions, it's served chilled, making it the perfect dish to beat the heat. A drizzle of olive oil adds richness, while the vibrant flavors transport you straight to the sunny Andalusian countryside. By the way, if you're planning your next European adventure, be sure to check out our travel blog at EuroTripHacks.com for amazing travel tips, hotel recommendations, and must-see destinations. We've got everything you need to make your trip unforgettable. Number 9. Pulpo a la Gallega. Pulpo a la Gallega is a classic dish from Galicia that showcases tender octopus, perfectly seasoned with olive oil, smoked paprika, and coarse salt. Served on a bed of sliced potatoes, this dish combines beautiful flavors and textures that seafood lovers will adore. Enjoy it with a glass of white wine for the ultimate Spanish dining experience. Don't miss this delicacy when visiting Spain. Number 10. Churos Con Chocolate. Churros con chocolate is a beloved Spanish dessert that's impossible to resist. These long, crispy donuts are deep-fried to golden perfection and served with a rich, thick chocolate sauce for dipping. Often enjoyed for breakfast or as a sweet snack, churros are a popular treat in Spanish cafes and street stalls. The combination of warm churros and smooth chocolate creates a delightful indulgence that makes every bite a heavenly experience. Number 11. Albondigas. Albondigas, or Spanish meatballs, are a comforting dish loved by many. These juicy meatballs are typically made from a mix of beef and pork, seasoned with herbs and spices, and simmered in a flavorful tomato sauce. They can be served as tapas or as part of a hearty meal. Perfectly paired with crusty bread, they offer a taste of home that will warm your heart. Number 12. Gambas Al Aro. Gambas Al Aro is a garlic lover's dream. This dish features juicy shrimp sautéed in sizzling garlic-infused olive oil, resulting in a mouth-watering flavor explosion. Often served with crusty bread, it's the perfect way to soak up that delicious sauce. This tapa is a must-have for seafood enthusiasts visiting Spain. Number 13. Fabada Asturiana. Fabada Asturiana is a rich, hearty bean stew from Asturias, ideal for cold days. This dish features large white beans cooked with flavorful chorizo, blood sausage, and aromatic spices, creating a comforting meal that warms you from the inside out. Often enjoyed with crusty bread, fabada is perfect for sharing with friends and family, making it a beloved classic in Spanish cuisine. Number 14. Pimentos de Padron. Pimentos de Padron are small green peppers from Galicia, known for their unique flavor. Typically fried in olive oil and sprinkled with sea salt, these blistered peppers are mostly mild, but every once in a while, you'll bite into one that packs a spicy surprise. They make for a delightful tapa, perfect for sharing over drinks with friends, adding excitement to your Spanish dining experience. Number 15. Tarta de Santiago. Tarta de Santiago is a traditional almond cake from Galicia, celebrated for its light, nutty flavor. Made with ground almonds, eggs, and sugar, this delightful dessert is often topped with powdered sugar and decorated with the cross of St. James. It's typically served with coffee, making it the perfect sweet treat after a long day of exploring. Don't leave Spain without trying this classic dessert. Number 16. Bakala Alpil. Bakala Alpil is a traditional Basque dish featuring salted cod cooked in olive oil with garlic and chili peppers. The magic happens when the oil emulsifies, creating a silky, rich sauce that enhances the cod's delicate flavor. This simple yet elegant dish is often served with crusty bread for dipping, making it a must-try for seafood enthusiasts eager to experience Basque cuisine. Number 17. Rambo Detoro. Rambo Detoro, or oxtail stew, is a deliciously rich dish that showcases slow-cooked oxtail in a savory sauce. Traditionally associated with Andalusian cuisine, this dish is simmered with red wine, vegetables, and spices, resulting in tender meat that falls off the bone. Perfectly paired with potatoes or crusty bread, Rambo Detoro is a hearty meal that offers a taste of rustic Spanish comfort food. Number 18. Migas. Migas is a traditional Spanish dish that creatively uses stale bread. Typically made by frying breadcrumbs with garlic, chorizo, and peppers, it results in a hearty, flavorful meal. Originating from the pastoral communities of Spain, migas is often served with a fried egg on top or alongside grapes for a delightful balance of flavors. It's comfort food at its best, perfect for any time of day. Number 19. Salmorejo. Salmorejo is a creamy, thick cold soup originating from Cordoba. This delightful dish is made with blended tomatoes, bread, olive oil, and garlic, creating a smooth texture and rich flavor. Typically garnished with hard-boiled eggs and jamón, it's perfect for a refreshing summer appetizer. Salmorejo offers a delicious twist on traditional Spanish cuisine. Number 20. Empanadas Galegas. Last but certainly not least, we have empanadas galegas. These savory hand pies hailing from Galicia, filled with a variety of ingredients like meat, seafood, or vegetables. Enclosed in a flaky, golden pastry crust, these delicious treats can be enjoyed as snacks or main meals. Perfect for sharing or on the go, empanadas are a beloved staple that showcase the heartiness of Spanish cuisine. There you have it, 20 must-try Spanish dishes that will make your next trip to Spain unforgettable. Which dish will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Plus, make sure to visit EuroTrip for more travel tips and ideas for your next European adventure. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.